Still feeling like the room's rocking days after the ride? You're not crazy and you're not alone. You step off a boat, a plane, or a long car ride, but your body doesn't get the memo. The ground feels like it's still moving. You're swaying, rocking, bobbing back and forth, even though you're standing perfectly still. Sound familiar? This isn't seasickness. This is Mal de Debarquement Syndrome, or MdDS for short, and it's a real, often maddening neurological condition where your brain gets stuck in motion mode. The ride ends, but your brain keeps drifting. And for some people, it doesn't fade in hours. It sticks around for weeks, months, even years. You might also notice that foggy, disconnected feeling, trouble focusing, feeling on edge or really anxious out of nowhere, sensitivity to emotion or light, a constant sense of imbalance, like you're on a boat that never docks. Now here's what I want you to know. Your neck might be the missing piece here. At Foundation Chiropractic here in Lutz, Florida, we focus on the upper cervical spine, the top two bones of your neck, right under your brainstem. Obstructions found here can scramble the way your brain and your inner ear communicate, especially with the parts that control balance. I've seen it firsthand. When we gently realign the atlas and axis bones using a precise, no-crack technique, the nervous system can finally reset. The brain calms, and for many, that awful still on the boat feeling begins to fade away. Now, it's not an overnight fix, but it is a path forward when it feels like no one else is listening to you. If you or someone you care about has been dealing with these strange motion-like symptoms and feel like you're out of answers, let's talk. Give us a call at 813-578-5889 and ask about a consultation with me. We'll do a full exam and see if your neck is keeping your brain stuck on autopilot. Because sometimes your body will stop moving, but your brain just needs a little help catching up. Share this with someone who's still swaying long after the ride. They need to know it's real and there is hope. Thanks for watching.